Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and by Beauty Fashion. So friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing well. Friends, today video is about great designing ideas and today I'm showing a all trendy and gorgeous collection. So friends, I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. You will find an all trendy ideas in our videos, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Friends, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Friends, I will try my best to share all new ideas, so please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel. Friends, you can get ideas, so take care of yourselves. See you soon with new gorgeous collection and your latest trendy and marvelous ideas. So friends, we will be right back. Bye bye.